Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Ginamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing authentic Ghanaian sugar bread. This is very easy to make. It's light, it's fluffy, it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. First thing first, I'll start with the dry ingredients. In my stand mixer, I added in flour, sugar, powdered milk, dry active yeast. I'll stir these ingredients together till well combined before going in with the wet ingredients. So I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I then added in warm milk. You can substitute it with water. I added in egg white, only egg white, butter or margarine, and then I added in pineapple flavor. So you can use any flavor of your choice. I'll let this mix and make sure everything has come together for 5 minutes. Last ingredient that I added to it was salt. After, I'll let the machine work for 5 minutes. I'm going to let it work for at least 15 minutes, but every 5 minutes I'll pause and then I'll let it rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes before on-ing it and let it work again. So this is the first 5 minutes, and then I strip the sides. I then added in a tablespoon of flour just to make it more hard. So if you think your dough is more soft, just add in a little bit of flour and that's it. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and let the machine work again for extra 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes again, I let it rest and then let it go in for extra 5 minutes again. So in total, this machine worked for 15 minutes, and then at the end you get a stretchy dough. So every 5 minutes, let the machine rest. You do not want to ruin your machine, so let it rest every 5 minutes. So after the 15 minutes, I turn it on my wet surface. I divided it into 2 equal parts because I'm making 2 sugar bread. So I kept one aside and work with the other one. Make sure you cover it with a clean film to stop the surface from drying out. So the other one, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your wet surface, transfer the dough on it, sprinkle a little bit of flour on it. You do not want to use much flour. After, roll it to the size of your pan, and please make sure you grease your pan. Grease it and sprinkle flour on it. Make sure it's greased well. At the end from the video, you could tell how the bread came out easily from the pan. So please make sure you grease your pan. After, roll it to the size of your pan and then bring all together. Make sure you pinch the edge and then transfer it in your pan. So we're going to let this double in size before baking. Please make sure you pinch the edge together, transfer it in your pan, cover it with a clean film and let it sit for at least 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled or tripled in size. After it has doubled in size, I will then bake this beautiful baby at 175 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. But then I placed a hot water under my oven just to make it more soft, more moist, So after 15 minutes, look at it guys. This turned out so delicious. It's yummicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, look at this amazing bread. It turned out delicious, and I prefer my hot with the margarine. Oh, you will love it. Just look at it guys. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.